Very quiet when they're concentrating.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you can go sit back down. And get ready for your team.
So Hannah, what are you doing right now with the crayon?
Coloring the middle with jelly.
Okay. What are those other pieces that you put on your donut?
Milk, flour, and eggs.
Why are those on there?
Because that's what makes the donut.
Very good.
No, you can't tell people they're at work. They work at the donut shop. No, it's not over there. I'm sorry.
So Tasha, when are you going to add the jelly?
When I'm done
When you're done doing what?
with work.
Oh, okay. So you're putting all the ingredients in first and then going back to add the jelly?
You gotta see how many you can make. You have 1 minute left. Let's see how many you get made. I know, I'm trying to be hungry. This girl is fantastically working so independently and fast.
What are you making, Jake?
Hey, your day at work is almost done.
Sawyer, what kind of production is this
You still
called?
want to be at work.
I can make these all day.
Okay, you have about 15 seconds.
Can you say that one more time?
Production.
Oh.
12, 11, and 10, 9.
Houston.